What are you doing?
I'm just exploring about the pins in this ESP credit.
Seems interesting. What is ESP32?
It's nothing. It's a powerful, a tiny microcontroller device which is used in IoT and smart devices.
What? ESP32?
Of course.
It's basically brain or small devices. A microcontroller. It's a microcontroller. Microcontroller means it just accept the signals from the sensing devices, process it and send it to the displaying device like servo motor, LED and etc. The thing which make it different from other devices is it have inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Means you can use it, connect it to internet without using any external hardware. It's automatically connect to other things.
I've heard about Arduino, but why you prefer ESP32 over Arduino?
We prefer ESP32 instead of Arduino because it have more memory, fast, it supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it is affordable. And the last, it's just like a phone, a smartphone with more feature and more power. If we talk about its features and specifications, it have multiple GPIO pins. It have DAC ADC means digital to analog converter, analog to digital converter pins. It have dual core 32-bit processor, built in Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth and low power mode.
But what about its applications?
If we talk about its real world applications in smart home, in IoT for controlling weather systems, in robotics for controlling drones and cars, for wearable, the fitness tracking. Means everywhere where we need a small computer plus internet, we use ESP32. Let me explain the structure. As you seen in the screen,
As you all are watching, this is ESP32 structure. All the pins are mentioned here. You can see this and these, two for ground and some extra. Let me show you the 3D simulation. This is ESP32 and it's the 3D simulation. This is upper part which is called antenna for signal. This box is W room. This is used for storing memory in sequence. It have inbuilt Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi. It have 4 MB maximum flash size, means it can store up to 4 MB of code. The code which we give it here can't be maximum than 4 MB. These all are pins, digital pins, and these are 2. Some are also analog. This one is GND for ground. This one is 2. So there are 2 pins for ground and one is VIN. VIN is used for current supply. So means this pin is used for supplying of current to the ESP32, which have a maximum 3 volt capacity. This is RAM, and for supporting this RAM, this is unit. To this RAM, all the pins, digital or analog, are connected to this RAM. You can see 2 buttons here. This one is set and this one is reset button. Set button and reset button. And this one is port. Means through this port, you can supply code to the ESP32. It is a micro USB type. So for transferring code, you can use the pin this and transfer code to the ESP32. So this is ESP32.
So how are you implementing this in your next Nextronics project?
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody.